Okay, it's going now. So just hold it and like, can you hold those for me? Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, but I'm on the outside this time, so I'm gonna lose.
No cheating. And ready. Go.
I think my son's cheating. He wants to
What?
beat the girls.
You're not supposed to do that.
He wants to beat the girls.
Go, Alex. Woohoo!
Horse down, horse down.
They have a soccer game. Girls.
Don't bounce on her head. Keep going, you got it. You're ahead of them.
Is that fun?
Yes, keep coming.
Oh, think of the muscles in those thighs.
Is that getting you ready for your game?
Yeah, God. I think I got the whole thing.